It's Thredup Thursday, y'all, and today we're going to be opening one of my favorite boxes, and that is the Thredup Fun Box. This one is a really recent order. It didn't even make it into like my stash. It's just been sitting in my office waiting for me to open it. This one is coming to us from Swanee, Georgia. Now, before we get into the unboxing, a couple of things I wanted to mention. Y'all are getting an extra video from me this week. This weekend, I'm going to be part of a 13-channel shoe collab where different channels are going to be talking about how they source shoes. Maybe it's from the thrift, maybe it's from the bins. I know someone's opening an America's Thrift Supply shoebox. I know I'm opening a Thredup shoebox. So make sure you tune in on Sunday. I will post the schedule in my community page, and then I will also put the video up as a premiere so you can click on the description and see what time different channels are going. Make sure to jump in and chat with me live during that on Sunday. That is going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see all the different ways that people have sourced shoes and what shoes everybody got. Okay, second announcement. I've alluded to this in a couple of my recent videos about how behind I am on listing again. Many of you know that I did that listing challenge for myself in February, where I challenged myself to list a box of items every day in the month of February. Y'all kept me totally accountable and encouraged me, and I did it. I got all through my death pile, y'all. Well, guess what? I haven't really listed that much since then. So I've got another growing pile of inventory. I don't know that I have enough to do a box of stuff a day, but I am going to be doing several items a day. I will be doing the same thing where I put it up in my shorts. So make sure to check out my shorts feed starting tonight. I will be posting kind of what I've listed. I am going to do a giveaway associated with the listing challenge. It's going to be a little bit different than the last time. I'm going to give y'all a heads up of what it is. But for each day that you comment, your name is going to go into a drawing. I'm probably going to do it old school and actually write the names and put it in like a jar and draw. So for each day that you comment, your name will get entered once per day into the drawing. And I think I'm going to do like an Amazon gift card giveaway. So make sure you check out my shorts feed this month and see what I'm listing. All right, it's time for the unboxing, y'all. I just love the fun boxes, and I'm hoping this one's good. It's in one of the newer, I don't know if y'all saw this, but it's in one of the newer printed Thredup boxes where like the polka dots are like kind of psychedelic. And this one is not super heavy either, so I'm a little concerned about that. I hope that doesn't mean anything bad. Oh, one more piece of housekeeping that we got to talk about. I mentioned this last week. There was a new box that went up on the Thredup Rescue Box page, and that was a designer box. Not the DIY designer. That's 7 DIY designer items for $140. This one is 4 supposedly not DIY items for $400. Is it $450? $450, y'all. I was like shook when I saw that up on their site. The first day it went up, I did not buy one. The second time it went up, I couldn't resist. So I got one, you guys. Now, mine has not arrived yet, but my plan is to put that up for you guys next Thursday. So next Thredup Thursday, the plan is to open that super expensive designer box. And y'all, I am nervous. I'm hoping it's really good. You know, I've seen a couple of people unbox theirs already. And I was envisioning more of like really high-end handbags that were in there. That's not really what's been unboxed thus far that I've seen. So I'm a little nervous. So y'all keep me in your thoughts. Okay, let's get into this fun box. Ooh, we got a receipt. Let's see. I ordered this one on April 15th, so super recent, and this is the Fun Box. You get 10 miscellaneous items for $34. As in Georgia fashion, it's all taped up here. Nice. Whoever folded this tissue did a really good job. Okay, let's rip that tissue. All right, we've got some air pockets on the top there. I always love using those. Let me give y'all, ooh, I'm already liking this box. I see some variety of things. So I don't know what this is. What is this? Is this a dog costume? Oh my gosh, it is. It's for dogs or cats. This is hilarious. There's the picture. Y'all, it even comes with a wig. Okay. So you've got like your little muscle man there with the dumbbell and all the tats. And this one's my favorite right there, Mom. That is super cute. Actually, this might fit this might fit Trixie Beth. She might get to wear this for Halloween. She's a medium. That's really, that's hilarious. I have seen some people get dog clothing or pet clothing in the boxes, and even I think a costume. I've never gotten that before, so it's kind of exciting. Okay, next up, we have a pair of little slippers. These are Disney Winnie the Pooh. They were at TJ Maxx for $6.99. They're very soft. Let's see. It says it fits shoe size 4 to 10. Machine washable. They are actually Disney branded. That's awesome. If anyone's interested in these, I'll do these for $3. I will be giving pricing throughout if I forget, because, you know, I get real excited when I start to unbox stuff. I'll put it on the screen. If you're interested in anything, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I'll sell to you directly. If you see something you want that you can't live without in this box. Keeping with the kind of slipper theme, we've got a pair of like no-show hue socks, little liners. This can include 6 pairs. It is made for small, medium. This is called the Bear Liner. They've got black in kind of a nude color. It says it will fit shoe sizes 4 to 7. Otherwise, I'd probably keep these for myself because I do wear these with my sneakers and loafers. So if anyone's interested in these, I don't know how much they normally are, but we'll just stick with the $3. Okay. There is something in a bubble pack. Are these like snow goggles? What are these? Oh, I'm excited. Let's open this. Oh no, these are swimming goggles. I thought because of this hard case that it was something. Y'all, I am a swimmer. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let's open these. Okay. Ooh. All right, they say anti-fog. That's always a lie. Doesn't matter. It's gonna fog. These are nice. I love this. It says it has a UV shield. Y'all, I'm totally keeping these. Now, I usually don't, because they look like they're mirrored. I usually don't swim outside because many of you know I'm a melanoma survivor. I typically swim inside. So the ones I swim with inside the goggles, they don't have any mirrored or shading in them because I don't need it. But on occasion, all the lanes inside might be full and I have to go outside. So I have special like swimming jacket I put on over my suit and go out there. And y'all, I'll put these in my bag in case that happens. So that's exciting. And it comes with this really cool case. So yay, something for me. I love when there's something for me. Okay, let me give y'all another little peek. We've got a few more items in here. Ooh, I see an Anthropologie tag. Yay. And this looks like it could be a hair accessory, which, you know, I love that. Okay, let's see. Yes. Oh, you guys, I wish this was a headband instead of just kind of the wrap for your hair, because this will slide right out of my hair. My hair is not very substantial, and so I need like an actual band. I love this. Oh, I wish this would have worked for me. This is so cute. You have kind of this neutral color and then this beautiful green edging and the little braiding of the ribbon and the knot at the top. This size says one size fits all, which is not shocking. And the price on this was $38. So I think if I were to list this, I probably would list it around 25 or so. So if anyone's interested in this, let's just do it for 10. That is awesome. Love getting Anthropologie, and I love getting Anthropologie new tags. That's cool. Let's go for this little pair of shorts here. How adorable are these? Oh, so sweet. We've got new with tags, Champion. Oh, these are for sleep. Okay, I was thinking these were active shorts. These say they're sleep shorts. The MSRP is $26. Let's see. I'm guessing these are a medium. Yeah, size medium. Those are so cute. If anyone's interested in this new with tags pair of sleep shorts in this adorable pink, oh my gosh, so cute. Let's do these for 10. Those are so cute. Y'all, this is a great box. See, I feel like I can like get an energy from the box based on like what it looks like off the top. So that's fun. Next, let's go for this. Looks like we've got, ooh, okay, we've got a watch band, which is not unusual to get in these boxes, but y'all, it's actually branded by Apple. Very cool. Gold stainless steel Milanese loop. It says Apple Watch. Apple Watch 45 millimeter. I am not an Apple user, y'all. I am an Android user. So I don't know that much about this. I'll have to put a price on the screen for this. Let's just make sure it is what it says it is, right? Okay, there's a little Apple Watch. I won't mess it up, I promise. But yeah, you guys, they get new in the package. How awesome. Again, I have no idea what this retails, resales, no idea. But I will look it up and put a price on the screen for this. This is so cool. Okay. Well, here, I won't put it back in the box now. We'll save time. Okay, we've got another bubble pack. Maybe a phone case. Let's see. Whenever I see a bubble pack, I'm typically always hoping for sunglasses, which we did get swimming goggles that I'm like being a total nerd about and very excited. And I usually always hope for jewelry. Now, this is a Bandelay case. I've gotten these multiple times now. I have not gotten the ones with the little puffy hearts on them. My only problem with this, and it's got a little spot for cards, is that I don't know what size phone this goes to. I'm sure it's an iPhone of some sort. But I really have no idea, y'all. So if anyone knows, let me know. Otherwise, if you know your phone will fit in here and you want it, I'll just, even though these like retail for a lot, I'll just do this for $5. Okay, that's like a really good deal. Okay, next. You guys. Excuse me. Did we just get Lululemon new with tags? I'm so excited about this. Guys, we got an athletic top. This has the like sports bra underneath, and then it's got the attached tank that kind of lays over. And then you've got the braided back. So the under is black, and then the overlay is like a heather gray. This is kind of like what I swim in. This is kind of like what my swimsuit looks like, actually. So when I do my lap swimming. Let's see the size. This says it's a size 8. And the retail on this was $68. This one's called the Twist and Toil Tank. And here's all the information about it. If you're interested, you can pause it right there and see all the things. I think it said it typically fits a medium. Support is for a C or D cup. How cool. Y'all, this is awesome. Okay, so let's say $20 for this. New with tags. Lululemon, size 8. Y'all, this is such a good box. Okay, I think we're down to our last item, and this looks fun. We've got a sweater kind of wrap. No, not long sleeved, sleeveless. Okay, so it's almost like a vest. Duster length, and then you've got this frayed edge here. It's in a really pretty color. The brand here is Cobblestone Living. I've never heard of that. It is also new with tags. No price or anything on the tag, so I'll have to look this up. It's very soft. Let me see. I'm guessing this is kind of like a one size fits all. Usually that's how these are. OMG, I forgot to turn my ringer off. Sorry. I was gonna see if I had there was a materials tag in here. Okay, there is. Ooh, this might be fancy, y'all. It says made in Italy. Okay, made in Italy. We are 57% acrylic, 29% nylon, 7% viscose. There we go. Right there. So nice. Again, I'll put a price on the screen for this one. New with tags. This is in excellent condition. So let's go through and count our items. This was a great box. I'm thrilled. Listen, the fun boxes are a little bit more of a risk now just because of the pricing and the way they're doing their pricing now. They're $34 plus shipping, which is $10 plus tax. So depending on where you live and what your tax rate is, it can be close to $50 for this box if you're not using any sort of like credit. And then that ends up averaging out to about $5 per item. And depending on how good your box is, it may not be worth it. This box was a winner, so I'm super thrilled. So we got that wrap for $1, the Lululemon for $2. Y'all, this Apple Watch band, how cool, for $3. The cell phone case for $4. The Champion shorts for $5. Okay, the goggles for $6. The Anthro little head wrap, I love this, for $7. The Hue socks for $8. The Winnie the Pooh slippers for $9. And then our 10th item, this is a really hilarious dog costume. I cannot with this. It's so cute. And look, it's got this like flappy arm. There's like a bird tattooed on here. And then a skull. It's so funny. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I thought this was a winner of a box. Make sure to set your notifications for Sunday so that you can join in and see what I got in my shoebox. I will have all the channels listed in that premiere so that you can follow along throughout the day. And make sure tonight to check out my shorts and see what I listed. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you know when I have videos coming out. All right. See y'all on Sunday. Bye, y'all.